You know, these drives always make me think. It's like the road stretches out all our thoughts.
That's deep. Are you trying to distract me while I navigate this traffic?
Not at all. I was just thinking about how life is like this drive. Sometimes it's smooth, sometimes bumpy, but we keep moving forward.
True, although I could do without the potholes, on the road and in life.
But don't you think the potholes make the smooth parts even sweeter? Like we appreciate the good times more because of the challenges?
Okay, philosopher, you win this one. What else is on your mind?
I was wondering, do you think we'll look back on these drives years from now and miss them? The quiet talks, the random songs on the radio, the philosophical debates?
Miss them? Maybe. But I hope we're making even better memories by then. Still, there's something about these moments, isn't there? No deadlines, no distractions, just us.
Exactly. It's funny how something as simple as a drive can feel so meaningful.
Maybe it's not about the drive. Maybe it's about who you're driving with.
Now, who's the philosopher?
I guess it's contagious.
So, Emily, where are we with the timeline? Do you think we can meet the deadline for this project?
I think we're on track, but we'll need to finalize the presentation by Thursday. That gives us enough time for revisions before the client meeting.
Good point. I was thinking we should add more visuals to the pitch. You know, something to really grab their attention.
That's exactly what I was thinking. Visuals can simplify complex ideas. Do you have anything specific in mind?
Maybe infographics for the data points and a short video for the introduction. Something engaging but not too over the top.
I like that. And for the video, how about focusing on the problem we're solving? It'll make our pitch more relatable.
That's a great idea. Let's also highlight some real-world applications to show them we understand their needs.
Perfect. Oh, and speaking of the client, did you see their latest product launch? It's very aligned with what we're proposing.
I noticed that. Let's weave that into our pitch to show we've done our homework.
Look at us, brainstorming like pros. Anything else we need to cover?
Just one thing. Should we rehearse together or divide and conquer?
Let's rehearse together. That way, we can make sure everything flows naturally.
Agreed. Okay, let's wrap this up. I'll work on the visuals and you can handle the script for the video.
Deal. We've got this, Mark. Let's make it the best pitch they've ever seen.